Hi, I'm Lisa with JDS Industries. Welcome to another episode of How to Sublimate a Polar Camel. This time we're going to show you how to sublimate our stemless wine tumblers using a silicone wrap. This will allow you to do multiple at a little bit quicker time if you had a large run to do. So the supplies you're going to need is your tumblers, of course. These come in both a stainless steel and white. You're going to need some heat tape, a lint roller, and then your silicone wrap, your transfer, and a piece of scratch paper, roughly about the same size as your transfer, maybe slightly larger. Okay, let's start in. We're going to remove the lid. I'm going to apply my transfer. We do have templates for these available on our website. You can see that's a kind of an odd shaped product there. Gonna wrap it around, all the way around, get it nice and tight, and take a couple pieces of tape. I'm going to tape it up and around and inside the tumbler. That just keeps it from slipping around when you're wrapping the silicone onto it. Okay, another piece of tape. Take your blank piece of paper and wrap that around. What this does is it prevents any ink from getting back onto the wrap and then of course getting onto your next tumbler. That wouldn't be good. And one more. Okay, now we're ready to wrap it. If your wrap does get some dust or lint on it, just take your lint roller and roll it across to get any of that lint off of it. If the lint gets onto your tumbler, that wouldn't be good because those little particles will turn blue on your tumbler and it does not come off. It's not such a problem on the stainless steel because you can't see it, but definitely on the white. You'll want to make sure you have a nice clean wrap. Okay, so I'm going to start wrapping it. I'm going to start the wrap right where I taped it. And you want the wrap sitting in a smiley face orientation. So just remember that if you forget which way it has to go. And then just start rolling and pulling it nice and tight as you go. And just follow that curve of the wrap. And keep pulling it and pulling it. It doesn't have to be exactly perfect. So then just take a couple of large pieces of tape and just tape the end. Make sure that's nice and snug. And then we're going to go to the oven. We're going to sublimate this at around between 380 and 400 degrees for about 5 to 5.5 minutes. Okay, let's stick this in the oven. Okay, we're down to our last 10 seconds. Let's get ready to take this out of the oven. I do have a nice glove that I will use when this is done. Okay, let's take it out. Bring it over. Let's undo the wrap. Just undo that tape. Pull that off. And then just spiral it up. Take it off. Now we can work on taking off the transfer. So that came off pretty good. Last little bit. There we go. Okay, there is our finished product. It's very smooth, very nice. If you ever take this out of the oven and you unwrap it and you can feel it and it feels a little rough, just take some of the LA Totally Awesome multi-purpose cleaner, spray it onto a towel and just wipe that off. That takes off a lot of that residue. You can also use a magic eraser. That'll clean that right up. Okay, so here's our finished polar camels. The white and the stainless steel. Really popular products, really easy to customize. If you have any questions about this or any of our other products, please visit us at jdsindustries.com, or you can give us a call at 800-843-8853. You can also send us a message over Facebook. Thank you.